tayo sa Roman Theater Arts. Yeah. It's a historical place here in Jordan. Ayan.
Maya, 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 Maya.
Baba, are we gonna watch something?
Yeah, we're gonna watch The Gladiator.
It's serious though.
No, I'm just joking.
Brother, sister, you need tour guide.
No.
You have
We have our tour guide.
you have inside 7 top secrets. You want to see? I show you. I am here, guys.
Oh. Hi.
Tour guide only 30
I show you inside 6 top secrets. 2,000 years old. 6 top secrets.
Careful lang mo. Oh, they're bala.
Okay, the same Baba in?
In Jarash
In Jarash.
Stadium, but this one is bigger.
Bigger.
Oh.
And here they always use this one, right?
Not more. Lut. You know Lut.
Look.
When they destroy Saddam and Amora, he left the city, the two cities, and he went to the Moab, Skarak now, with 2 daughters. And the 2 daughters that written in the Old Testament, you can read it.
Yes.
Yes, in Genesis. They said, we don't have man to make baby. We will drink, make him drunk, Lut. Then I'll sleep with my father for the first night and we go to sleep. And we'll sleep. The first girl, she brings a boy, she called it Moab. And this is, he is the father of all the Moab's people now in Jordan. The second one, she born a boy also, she called it Amun. Amun, he is still here, stay here, and Moab stay in the south.
Oh. So this is the east.
Huh?
North is the north, Baba. This is the north side.
Guys, north, here.
North, okay.
North of Moab, but it's the middle of Jordan.
Middle of Jordan.
You can see the museum here, then you can see the theater, you can see the museum there.
Roman Theater here in Amman. One of the oldest infrastructure during the Roman Empire. So here we are, guys, in the museum. Look at the guns. Guns. Oh, kasama yun sa museum yung langaw. Antik din yung langaw na yan. Oh, yan. Ginit na to. Hindi, coffee ka to. Coffee ka to. Yan, mga holster knife, cylinder.
A traditional dress for the woman.
Okay.
And all the old women also they have, this is a pipe. They smoke pipe.
Oh,
Yes.
it's a big cigarette.
Yan, weapons yung Cold War. Diba? Yan, ganito sila mamuhay noong unang panahon. Yan, paggabi, tumatayo mga yan. Paggabi ba tumatayo mga yan ba? Oh.
Kawawa naman yung night guard.
Huh?
Kawawa naman yung night guard.
This is for the wheat.
The wheat, Baba?
Yes. They put the wheat inside and make it like this. It will be ground and will be flour.
So that's the outcome.
And this is aji.
Okay. Pa dito sa baba. Yan. Hello. Ano ba yung mga traditions nila way back then until now. This is how they make wheat, I think. Ito naman, nagpapastol ng sheep. Sheep milking. See? Sheep milking. This one.
Dad, yan na yung paggawaan ng butter.
Ah, that one?
Here they make jameen and samin baladi, and
They cook it, baba?
not cook it.
Ah.
After they make it lemon,
Oh, okay.
yogurt.
Yogurt.
After that, they put it here and make it like this. All the fat will stick together. And with cold water, the fat separately, and the other lemon, they make it jameen.
Oh. Okay. So this is sub. The bread, baba.
Yes.
This one is.
They are making food.
So this is water. Woman is doing water. Oh, nice. So they catch the water using goat skin.
They get the on the fire, and
Black
here
coffee.
he ground it in this one.
Ah, okay. Just like what you have in your house,
Just the same.
the big one like that.
Very old.
This is how they formed the golds back then. Goldsmith, yan.
Pottery maker.
Pottery maker, yan. Polish.
Proper polish.
Finer, yeah.
We have someone like this, and we go.
Costume museum, guys. Their national costumes. This is for Desert Patrol. Yan. Soldiers. These are for the ladies. Traditional Hermes dress for Maan. Okay, this is traditional Ramta. Okay. And this is traditional dress of Madaba. This is Kerak, Kalaga. And this is Altafila, Kalaga. Ooh. Ang bato! Ano ba ito yan?
Agante.
Agate. Ayan, tapos.
Ano yun?
Mascara. Oo. Yung sapatos na to. Para siya may suction. O mga kwan, o dash o. Mga, ano to?
May mga
Anklets,
ganyan si Mami, mga
bracelets,
bangles.
Bangles, ba tawag yan? Bangles. Necklace naman na luma. Ito, belt siguro to.